Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for your e-commerce business. First, ensure your e-commerce platform is seamlessly integrated with QuickBooks. This step is crucial for automating data entry and reducing manual errors. Next, configure your sales tax settings to comply with various state regulations. Finally, customize your chart of accounts to reflect your specific e-commerce revenue and expense categories, providing a clear financial overview. Effectively managing sales and inventory is vital for any e-commerce venture. Use QuickBooks to record every sale, ensuring your revenue figures are always up to date. Implement robust inventory tracking to monitor stock levels, preventing both overstocking and stockouts. This helps you make informed purchasing decisions. Additionally, analyze your product costs versus selling prices to optimize profit margins and ensure sustainable growth for your business. Proper expense management and insightful reporting are cornerstones of financial health. Accurately categorize all your business expenses within QuickBooks, which simplifies tax preparation and ensures you claim all eligible deductions. Regularly reconcile your bank and credit card accounts to catch discrepancies and maintain precise records. Utilize QuickBooks reporting features to generate profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow reports, offering a clear picture of your business's performance. To truly master QuickBooks for your e-commerce business, consider these advanced tips. Automate repetitive tasks like invoice generation and expense categorization to free up valuable time. Explore integrating third-party applications that extend QuickBooks capabilities, such as specialized inventory management or CRM tools. Make it a best practice to review your financial data monthly. This consistent analysis helps you identify trends, make proactive adjustments, and strategically plan for future growth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.